Welcome to Cars Fandom, and today we're diving into something truly extraordinary, something that feels like it belongs not just to the present but to the future of mobility. We are going to explore the brand new Xiaomi YU7 Max 2026 in a dazzling purple shade. This is not just a car. It's a vision of what happens when cutting-edge technology, sleek design, and luxury come together in a single masterpiece. Xiaomi, widely known as a giant in consumer electronics, smartphones, and smart homes, has now moved boldly into the premium automotive world, and the YU7 Max 2026 is their flagship offering. When you look at this car, you don't just see a vehicle. You see the company's ambition, innovation, and desire to challenge the traditional super luxury brands that have ruled for decades. In this episode, we'll go deep into every element of the YU7 Max 2026 Purple, starting from the exterior design to the ultra-futuristic interior, from its high-tech dashboard to its engine specifications, and finally, we'll talk about the price point and what kind of buyer this car is truly aimed at. Sit back and get ready, because what you're about to experience is not just a review. It's a journey into the future of cars. From the very first glance, the exterior of the Xiaomi YU7 Max 2026 takes your breath away. Painted in a glossy, vibrant purple finish, it immediately sets itself apart from the predictable black, white, or silver luxury cars we usually see. This isn't just any purple. It's a carefully designed shade that reflects differently under varying light, sometimes appearing deep and mysterious, sometimes vibrant and electric. The designers clearly wanted this car to make a statement even when parked. Its front fascia is dominated by sharp, futuristic LED headlights that seem to pierce through the air with confidence. These headlights are paired with a sleek grille, minimalist but commanding, featuring illuminated accents that hint at Xiaomi's smart tech DNA. The sculpted hood gives the car a muscular presence while maintaining aerodynamic fluidity. Move along to the sides and you'll notice bold character lines that run smoothly, almost like flowing energy, emphasizing the futuristic proportions of the car. Large alloy wheels with a unique spoke design sit beneath, adding both aggression and elegance. At the back, the car finishes with a dramatic touch, ultra-slim tail lamps stretching across the rear, glowing like a neon signature. The bumper is integrated beautifully with aerodynamic fins, making it clear that this is not just about looks but also performance. Every inch of the exterior screams premium, futuristic, and unique. In fact, standing in front of it feels less like looking at a car and more like witnessing a work of art crafted for the roads of tomorrow. Step inside, and the story of the Xiaomi YU7 Max 2026 becomes even more exciting. The interior is a showcase of technology blended with comfort. The moment you open the doors, you are welcomed by ambient lighting that adapts to your mood, bouncing off the purple accented trims that match the exterior theme. The seating is designed with ultra-soft premium leather, offering both ventilation and massage functions. Xiaomi has given special attention to passenger comfort, making sure every seat feels like first-class travel. The dashboard is nothing short of breathtaking. A massive digital panel stretches across the width, merging the driver's instrument cluster with the infotainment system. This screen delivers sharp graphics, customizable layouts, and even AI-driven suggestions for driving, entertainment, and navigation. Xiaomi, being a leader in smart ecosystems, has integrated the car seamlessly with smartphones, smart homes, and wearable devices. That means, for example, you can adjust your home lighting, air conditioning, or even check your fitness updates directly from the car's dashboard. The steering wheel has a futuristic two-spoke design, fitted with haptic controls and voice-activated commands. Beyond the dashboard, the cabin is filled with subtle details. Chrome highlights, crystal gear selectors, and futuristic air vents designed to disappear when not in use. Even the sound system is custom-engineered, providing 360-degree immersive audio for both drivers and passengers. Whether you're cruising on the highway or sitting in the back seat, the cabin of the YU7 Max 2026 is like entering a futuristic lounge on wheels. Performance-wise, Xiaomi has built the YU7 Max 2026 not just as a luxury statement but also as a technological powerhouse. At its heart lies a highly advanced hybrid electric engine system, tuned to provide both power and efficiency. The Purple Edition features Xiaomi's performance tuning, delivering instant torque for rapid acceleration while maintaining silent, smooth cruising when needed. Official figures suggest that this car can achieve 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds, putting it on par with supercars while still keeping the ride ultra-luxurious. The handling is refined with adaptive suspension that reads the road's surface hundreds of times per second, adjusting in real time for the smoothest possible experience. Drive modes range from eco, comfort, and sport, all the way to an exclusive max mode which unleashes the car's full potential. Xiaomi has also integrated smart AI driving assist features. The YU7 Max 2026 can handle semi-autonomous driving, including lane keeping, adaptive cruise, and automated parking. Safety remains top tier with an array of sensors, LiDAR, and cameras providing a 360-degree awareness of the environment. Even the engine bay is treated with design finesse. Components are covered with futuristic casings in the same purple theme, making it look like a display piece instead of just a mechanical setup. This isn't an engine compartment you want to hide. This is something to show off, proudly illuminated under showroom lights. Now let's talk about the price. As expected, the Xiaomi YU7 Max 2026 Purple Edition isn't a car for everyone. It is positioned firmly in the ultra-premium segment, with a starting price estimated around $180,000 to $200,000, depending on configuration and customization. Considering Xiaomi's reputation for offering technology-rich products at competitive prices, the YU7 Max comes as a surprising contender in a market dominated by Rolls-Royce, Bentley, and Aston Martin. However, instead of copying their formula, Xiaomi has carved its own identity. It's not trying to be another old-school luxury saloon. It's a futuristic, tech-first super luxury sedan for the new generation of wealthy buyers. The Purple Edition especially caters to individuals who want exclusivity, who want to arrive in a car that instantly makes people turn their heads and say, "What is that?" For buyers in premium countries, where luxury is not just about brand but also about innovation, this car is set to attract attention. It's futuristic, it's bold, it's unapologetically different. For the younger billionaire who wants to stand out, the Xiaomi YU7 Max 2026 Purple could be the perfect ride. To sum up, the Xiaomi YU7 Max 2026 Purple is more than just a luxury car. It represents the merging of advanced technology with futuristic design. From its striking purple exterior that redefines presence, to its hyper-connected interior that feels like a smart hub on wheels, to its powerful hybrid engine that delivers performance and refinement, this car is Xiaomi's declaration of intent in the automotive world. While traditional luxury cars represent heritage and legacy, the YU7 Max represents innovation and forward-thinking. It's for those who want to be remembered not for following tradition, but for setting new ones. And that is why, here at Cars Fandom, we believe the Xiaomi YU7 Max 2026 Purple is not just a car, it's the future parked in your driveway.